guys, welcome to ARCHAIC Lighting. This is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you the installation for the tail lights for the Mustang 2015 to 23. It will take us 30 to 40 minutes for the installation. It's very easy. Follow me. First step, we need to remove this plastic panel. There are 4 hand knobs in both sides. We need to remove all of them. Then we will need to remove these plastic clips in both sides. Then pull back this carpet liner. We will see 3 10mm nuts in the back side of the lights. 1, 2, 3. We will need this 10mm nut driver to remove all of them. Now we already have all the nuts removed. Then we need to disconnect this socket. Now we have all the parts removed. We can pull these tail lights back from the vehicle. Before we install the tail lights in our vehicle, we need to remove this plastic panel from the factory tail lights. Then we will need to install this in our tail lights. Pay attention to this adapter and these sockets. In some countries, the factory socket is different, so we will need this adapter. These sockets are used to control the start-up animation. So with all the sockets disconnected, we will have the start-up animation and the amber turn signal. The red sockets are used to control the start-up animation. If you don't want the start-up animation, you need to connect this socket. And this blue socket we used to control the red turn signal and the amber turn signal. If you want the red turn signal, you need to connect this socket. Now let's install our tail lights to the vehicle by the same step that you remove the factory tail lights. Let's connect this socket. Then secure these 3 10mm nuts back to the vehicle. Another side is totally the same process with this side. Last step, we need to assemble this carpet liner and the plastic panel back to the vehicle. Okay, that's all for today's installation. If you still have questions, feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.